is Amateur Tries Chloe Ting's Get Abs in 2 Weeks Shred Challenge. So I recently came across this ab challenge video by Chloe Ting that she released about a week ago, the 2021 version. And I've seen a lot of people trying out this challenge and it working really well for them. So I wanted to basically try it for myself as well. So I'm really excited to try this and document the process for you as well and see the before and after results. So let's see if it works or if it doesn't. Also, while you're doing this challenge, remember to incorporate sufficient water as well as a healthy diet. Obviously, you can't be eating a lot of junk food, grease, and snacking a lot and then expecting the challenge to work. So those are some extra tips for you as well. Okay, so, what happened to the lighting? Come on, lighting. What's going on? I don't know, the lighting is playing up a little bit. Okay, so I normally do my workouts in the evenings and now I'm just getting ready to head out for the day, but I thought I would quickly film this introduction for you and also do my measurements because my stomach is generally a lot flatter in the mornings when I first wake up, and by the time I eat my meals and everything like that, it does sometimes get bloated and stuff like that. So also to keep it consistent, I will measure the before and after at the same time during the day, you know, so that the other factors don't come in the way. So let's just go ahead with the measuring. I have a measuring tape right here. So let's do this. So I'm going to be measuring the midsection of my belly or stomach as well as the lower section. Midsection's like at 25.5. The midsection is at like 25.5. I've just done the measurements. I'm excited to start off this challenge and document the process for you. Okay, so filming these kind of videos really motivates me to work out, so I'm really hoping that it's going to motivate you as well. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So just before I start the challenge, I just wanted to add something as well. So I basically wanted to start doing shout outs on my videos just to help you out in any small way that I can. I know I have a small channel, but just to help you out in any small way that I can. So if you have a website or a YouTube channel or Instagram page or like even a business that you would like me to promote or shout out, please leave a comment under this video with the words shout me out plus your business name or your website name or your channel name, Instagram name, and I'll add all of the shout outs at the end of each video. I'll just pick one shout out per video.
Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us?
So I've really loved following Chloe Ting's videos so far. I think they're really easy to follow, and I also love the clock timer on the side and just everything about it really.
I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by someone say.
I also went on like 30-minute fast walks or jogs just along the river where I live, and I'm going to attach some clips as well of that. Yeah, so you can go jogging or running along this river.
About the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay.
Okay, so this is my mid-challenge update. So this is basically the end of week 1. So I quickly just wanted to update you. So I wanted to keep the results a surprise just for myself as well as for you. So I'm not going to measure my tummy today. I'm not going to measure it until the end of the entire challenge, which is the end of week 2. But I've been continuing on as usual and also switching it up a little bit here and there, like going jogging and stuff in addition to the challenge, of course.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Hold me now,
basically the first few days I did the video once a day, and then towards the end I sometimes did it back to back. So I did the whole video and then I repeated the video again with like a 5-minute rest in between. So it's basically doing it twice a day. And then on some days I also incorporated Chloe Ting's lower body workout sessions, which is basically the booty and legs workout sessions, as well as the upper body workout sessions, including the abs and shoulders and arms, as an addition to these ab workouts. Obviously I didn't do that every single day. I probably did it about 2 to 3 times a week. So that's another option for you as well if you would like to speed up the process. I've got the measuring tape here again, so let's just measure the results. Yeah, if there are no changes in the measurements, I would still recommend doing this, because obviously not only is it good for your physical health, but it's also good for your mental health. I would definitely still encourage you to take on the challenge, and I'm probably going to also make it into a 30-day challenge now. So basically just continuing on the challenge. I probably won't do it every single day though. I'll probably do it like you know, just along with my other exercises about 3 times a week, but I'm definitely going to continue on with the challenge. Did you see that? Okay, it has actually gone down just in 2 weeks. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm extremely happy with the results. I'm actually a little bit surprised because I didn't actually think it would go down in like as far as measurement is concerned. But yeah, this challenge has basically motivated me to work out every day. So thank you for motivating me to work out every day. And of course, thank you to Chloe Ting. I think her videos have really helped out so many of us beginners to just get things started. And her videos are so easy to follow as well. So I'm really grateful to Chloe Ting. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I want to start doing shout outs. So today's shout out, or my first shout out, will be my mum. So this is her art page on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel of her art. Both are called Cindy Cardno, S-I-N-D-Y space C-A-R-D-N-O. Yeah, but currently she said that she's mainly posting just on her Instagram. So yeah, so if you're interested in art, you can follow her Instagram account. I hope this motivates you to also partake in the challenge if you want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Just let go. Ooh.